Alam mo ba what type of graphics card ang bibilhin mo and litong-lito na ba kung anong GPU ang bagay sa lifestyle mo? Then stay on this video. Tara, let's get started. There are three types of GPU, which are the integrated GPU, dedicated or discrete GPU, and the workstation GPU. Tara, let's define it. Una is integrated GPU, the one that is built in nasa mga processor natin. Hindi kasing lakas ng dedicated GPU or ng workstation GPU, pero it can be used for light tasks such as office work, light editing, light gaming. So example nito, Intel Iris Xe, AMD Radeon 680M. So best for students and office work and basic video editing. Samantalang, ang dedicated GPU or discrete GPU, mas malakas siya compare sa integrated GPU. So hiwalay siya sa CPU natin at may sarili siyang memory, which is VRAM or video RAM. Example of this is NVIDIA RTX series. Meanwhile, sa AMD Radeon RX series. So, good siya for gaming, video editing, 3D rendering. And lastly, yung pangatlo natin is gusto natin much more high-end, then go for workstation GPU. So, ginagamit to for professional rendering, AI work, simulations. More on the expensive side talaga itong mga ganitong GPUs kasi ginagamit to ng mga professionals eh. So, kayo na lang mag-research ng prices pero alam ko expensive itong mga ganitong GPUs. Pero solid naman yung graphics ng mga ganito kasi ginagamit talaga ito ng mga engineers, ng mga animators, architects, mga developers, basta yung mga mabibigat na trabaho. So example of this is the NVIDIA RTX A6000 AMD Radeon Pro W series. So now you know the graphics card that is suitable for your needs. If you want to invest in a good GPU, go for NVIDIA RTX series, go for AMD Radeon RX series or dedicated GPU. Okay na to. So if you want more of this, make sure to follow, comment, and react.